What's good? What's good? Happy afternoon, boys and girls. Happy afternoon here. See if the Nasdaq's gonna push up. A little bit of a bull flag. I kind of like this little setup here for a push up there above this 160 area, maybe a little bit more. See if we can start off the power hour with a little $1,000 banger. Oh God. Now that I said that. What's good? Crazy day. I know. What a crazy day here in the Nasdaq. Big move up, big move right back down, taking out the low of day, and then I don't like this. Keep my stop right here at the 20s. But a big move in the Nasdaq, basically. Got stuck up there. The 30-minute chart, we were stuck. They just could not let it get above that 400 level. And then right now, we're right below the close of day from yesterday there at the 150 area. So we'll see how she rides. See if this trade's going to work out or not. Need to basically hold this 21 EMA. Paul Moses is going to full port and try to pass the Apex evaluation on NVIDIA earnings. Now you're just getting crazy, Paul. You're just getting crazy, Paul. Don't be so crazy. God damn it. And shopping here. Holding up there at the 21 EMA for now, but probably gonna get stopped right there. Perfect. Great. That 15-minute candle did me dirty right there. Got stuck at the 150s and then came right back down. Off to a good start. Basim, I told you big shorts coming. Yeah, I know. You fucking told me, bro. You told me everything. Everybody always tells me. Everybody always tells me. Patrick, I told you. Yeah, I know. Everybody tells me. Everybody's a genius except for me, clearly. Need to see what happens with this 150 area if we're going to stay below this. There's a pivot point there, 21,200. We got a pivot point to the downside, 20,943. Gulf of America, baby. Y'all ever been to the Gulf of America? That's right. 2025. Nasdaq right now here at the 21 EMA, below this 150 area. Goes fucking A. Back up there to the 140s now. Just playing a bit tricky here. This is Tuesday's area of support. We had like a triple bottom Tuesday right here at this 130, 140 area. Will that act as support here? acting like it. You just connected. Is there anybody asking about the 350 algorithm yet? Not yet, but you're the first. Both the ES and the Nasdaq pushing back up here. Big sell-off. Little push back up. Going into the 3 o'clock hour. 3 o'clock hour here. We were right there at yesterday's close on the Nasdaq, right? That dotted line is yesterday's market close price. So we'll see what happens. Power hour. Will we get some more power in this hour? Well, it's not even power hour yet. It's only 2:30. We got plenty of time. In your opinion, is this bear market going to persist? We're not really in a bear market. Relax, everybody. God. Everybody's like, bear market. Relax, people. God. Have you ever seen an actual bear market? We are nowhere near a bear market, people. Relax. Relax. Everybody relax. Relax. Okay? Just fucking relax. Bear market, they said. Are you crazy? You crazy kids. Bear market. You funny. Yes, long way away from a bear market. Everybody can just relax a little bit. I mean, look at the daily chart. Everybody be like, Patrick, we're in a bear market. Yeah, no, it looks so bearish. Oh, don't get too bearish on me now. You know, don't keep going higher, Nasdaq. Whatever you do. Oh my God, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? This bear market, man. It's I'm not gonna be able to feed my kids no more. You know, I don't know, man. Yeah, there you go. The daily chart right now, we're just kind of back down to this 21,000 area that we consolidated at for pretty much all of this, like, kind of like the middle of, well, yeah, maybe like, yeah, all the way November, honestly. Like, we have not moved out of this range, right? So, yeah, I mean, it's just a pullback in a bull market. Remember, the market's always it's always a bull market. I mean, there's just like, just zoom out enough and you see that every bear market was just a pullback. So this is the Nasdaq. Look at the monthly chart. I think we're going to be all right, boys. I think we're going to be okay. If we look at the monthly chart right now, what's funny is, like, we had what, December, right? The December candle looked a lot like this candle that we have right now. And then look at January's candle. So, I mean, a pullback down here to this 19,000 area does not, you know, really raise much concern, to be honest, especially since this was the 2021 high. So kind of, if we pulled back into here again and then pushed off it, so I think we're okay. Like, I think we're going to be okay here. All I want to do is go back in time, go long 5 contracts on the Nasdaq, and then just hold it all the way. That would be nice, wouldn't it? That would have been real fun. That would have been real cool. Oh God, look at the, like, how ferocious the velocity. Like, it goes from just you know, very small moves to all of a sudden these monthly candles are looking insane. Monthly candles looking like a cryptocurrency, a meme coin. Patrick, what was the highest bear market you ever traded? I guess COVID. I don't know if that wasn't really even a bear market. I've never lived through a bear market, so I don't really know, I guess. But I guess COVID was probably like the most insane market. And look at that. Would you look at that? Now the Nasdaq. Now the fucking Nasdaq up there to the fucking 160s. What a dumbass. God. What was the lowest you traded the Nasdaq? Let me see. I don't even remember. It would have been back in like 2018, maybe. Yeah, 2018. 8,000. 8,000. The Nasdaq was 8,000 back when I first started trading. And what was so funny about trading futures back in the day is the market really didn't move sometimes. Like it would barely move. Like it would be like, I don't know, 50 points for the entire day. So it is very wild now to see, you know, like if you go back in time here, we'll go back in time and you can look, let's look at 2017. This is the daily chart, by the way. 2017, we went 100 points for the entire day. Like some of these candles, this candle right here, 139, 184, that's 50 points. Literally, that was 50 points for an entire day of trading. Like imagine trading the Nasdaq and the entire day is just 50 points. And the ES was even worse. The ES was like maybe five points in a day. People have no idea. People have no idea how it used to be. When I first started trading stocks, like the market just didn't move the way it does now. Once, I think COVID really created the volatility. Like once we had the volatility during COVID, that was when it all just went wild. I don't know. 2019, 2020 is really where I feel like it went ape shit. Point swings on the Russell, yeah. So I mean, it just I think it's a lot of things, right? It's inflation. It's just more money supply. Obviously now the Nasdaq's 22,000 instead of 8,000. So you know, 1% move, 2% move, obviously is going to be, you know, bigger points. Well, I guess my little bull flag from earlier finally fucking decided to go through the 60s. That was silly. Christy almost passed the 300K account. I know all you guys, everybody's passing these 300K accounts, getting rich. Getting rich. You gotta send a photo to Victoria, you know, to make sure she knows. You know who? Daddy coming home. Get ready. After this market closes. Get ready. Look at it. Nasdaq up there to the 170s now. Any Tradeify discount? I think Tradeify's got a big discount today. If you use the code PW because it's Brett's birthday or something. So, what do you guys like? You like the gray or the blue? I think the blue's my color, you know? I'm gonna give this one to my dad. He needs a hat like that. All right, Nasdaq above the 150s. Apex code PW, duh. Always PW. Best code ever, PW. And when you need a little pickup, just grab you a bottle of Trump vodka, tip it back, you'll be good to go. I don't know, I don't think I should ever open this. Gotta just keep it forever. Trump vodka, that was from Ike. It says the world's finest super premium vodka. It's the world's finest super. My new title for my YouTube channel is Patrick Wieland, the world's finest super day trader. Premium Patrick Wieland. And how many liters? This is 750 milliliters. Why is this one selling for so much? I might have to flip this bitch. Look at this thing. Trump vodka is $6,000. How is that possible? No. Someone said, this is quite literally the best vodka I have ever tasted. Oh man. I'm gonna get rich. That's my retirement plan. Just to hold on to that Trump vodka forever. I ain't ever selling it. I'll never sell. I'll never sell it. Keep it forever. I'm gonna keep it forever. You know it. Just like this hat. I'll probably lose this hat pretty quickly though. Every time I go on the boat, I always lose my fucking hat. I blame the wind. It's not my fault. Blame the boat, blame the wind. The boat goes too fast. You know? It's the boat's fault, not my fault. All right, Nasdaq again pushing. The $1 million question now is, well, what happens next? What happened? Oh, Top Step got short. Did they shorted earlier? That's not good. Why'd they do that for? They gotta start watching my YouTube channel. Learn about those bull flags. I mean, this would kind of be the perfect spot, I guess, to bring this back down now. The 15-minute chart kind of bear flagging right now. Right? I mean, right there, that 150 level. That 50 level, like I said, is yesterday's close, so obviously that's an important level for the bears, the bulls and the bears, the bears and the bulls. The bulls need to hold 150. The bears want to get it below 150. We'll see. Going into the power hour here. We got 12 minutes till official power hour begins. You never know what you're going to get. End of day, MOC might be some action. Some serious fucking action, boys. Possibly. Right now, sitting at yesterday's close here. The close, market close yesterday right there at that 21,150 level. That 21 EMA right now acting as support here as well. I mean, this bear flag should kind of see if it plays out here, get away from that 150 area. Both the ES and the Nasdaq. ES is also stuck right at yesterday's close there. What does it mean? I don't know, man. I got no idea. I just trade, man. Just gonna wait for something to happen here. Just need one good trade. One good trade. One trade. Right now, that 15-minute candle, just kind of a doji sitting there, doji candle. Little doji candle. Little doji candle. If we get away from this 21 EMA, we should, like I said, kind of break that bear flag on the bigger time frames. And then we have not, well, we did, sorry. We broke through the low of day earlier, obviously. And then we've got this 21,050 area. In terms of pivot points, we got a previous day low down there, 20,990. Also, if you haven't seen my video this morning, well, video that I just posted, showing the 30 days of green. Give me some love on it, chat. If you're still here, there's a little video there. Go hit a like button, leave a little comment, maybe, you know, get me excited, get me excited here, help me out, you know, help me help you kind of thing, you know. Hey, I help you, you help me kind of thing, you know. Just saying, you know, if you want to, it's up to you. You don't have to, but you could. It'd be nice. I'm really excited for next week because I've got a new editor starting, full-time editor. My videos are gonna get a lot better. You're gonna get me a lot better, man. I need more drinky drink. Maybe just get like some double-sided tape put on there. Patrick, will we see the biggest move ever this afternoon? I don't know about ever. Ever's a big word. That's like a, you know, that's a lot. Ever's a lot. Right now, we're just sitting here kind of chopping around at this close from yesterday. I think if we get below this, the low of this 15-minute candle, we can break to the downside, right? So like kind of that 120 level. Get that confirmation of that bear flag. The ES is already kind of dipping here on the 5-minute chart. ES is like that 960 area. So you're kind of like, want to see, well, not very good. Want to see us break through that low there on that 15-minute candle. Yeah, it's kind of like, I'm looking at the Nasdaq. It's kind of like, get through this wick here, and then we go down. Right? I mean, it kind of like, it's definitely percolating. It's percolating, basically. All right, she's going for it. 120s. It's kind of already, it's rolling right now. It's just rolling there. Wow. You can see also with the 21 EMA here on the 1-minute chart, there's that quick move down. She's going through the 120s. So now I just need to be patient and wait for kind of an opportunity to get short here. We'll see. Started broke. Thanks for the love today. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. What's up? What's up? What's up? How you doing? What's up? Wow, Nasdaq is dumping here now. Right through that 120s. Baby Jesus. Why does it always do this without me? You know, like if I would have entered short right here at the 136s, it would have chopped around for another fucking hour. They would have started fucking chopping around for another fucking hour here. Well, there's 20 points now through the 120s, through the 100s. Still going. Are you fucking kidding me? Like why? Like why? Like why? Like how do we go from like little boner, you know, little baby candles to then just like straight fucking down with no remorse? Very annoying. Why did you not short the flag? Because I suck. I thought we were gonna get like a little bit of a, you know, a little bit of a retrace to try to short like another little bear flag. We get some more likes here on the stream. Maybe we'll do a giveaway. Who wants some giveaways? We got 180 likes. All right, just being patient. More setups to come. I think we take out the low of day here at the 60s, but just can't get short. I like to see like a little bit of a pushback up, get denied, and then we look for a short, another little bear flag kind of play out with that 21 EMA right there. Gulf of America. Oh my God. Come on, Nasdaq. I really blew this. Really blew this. That should have been the short right here. That 140 short right there, that would have been, that was it. It's just hard, like when the fucking market's chopping around, then all of a sudden it just magically starts perfectly moving down. Like, what the fuck? Previous day low is down 20,980s now. All right, let's see if we get a little pushback up here now. Well, good thing we didn't get short of the fucking 90s, right? You know what I mean? Good thing. Good fucking thing, boys. Don't do that. I want to see this little pushback up here, tap into that 21 EMA would be ideal, but might not get it. Sebastian, what's your expectancy on your accounts? Zero. Just zero expectancy. I make no money. One day I'm gonna learn how to trade the right way. right, back to the 90s here. That low from earlier is at the 60s. Are there ever any Lux Algo deals? Sometimes. Use the code PW. I don't know if it'll help you, but you could try it. All right, I think we lose the 90s here and we go down to the 60s next. What do you think? Lose 90s, go to the 60s here? Maybe? Possibly? Seems like it. It does seem like it. Will they get down there to the 60s next? Biggest shorts ever. Ever. That previous day low is down there, 20,989. Three o'clock, officially power hour has begun. That's a weird looking fucking setup right there. What is this? What is this? What are you doing, Nasdaq? Shopping around here, 21,100. The buyer stepping in. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. The chop is real. By the way, right now, my friends, right now, Apex is 80% off. Use the code PW to win. Well, just to get the deal, basically. So if you want to check it out, check it out. Nasdaq right back up there, 21 EMA again. Chop City here. When was the last time I went clubbing or raving? Last night. I go raving every night, actually. All right, testing that 21 EMA that we were looking for. We'll see if we can get some rejection here. Give me some rejection here out the 21 EMA now. Well, I don't like this. That 15-minute candle. I try to not trade when the 15-minute candles are overlapping like this. When there's overlapping too much. Nasdaq just chopping around here, this 120 area, holding up there. That 150 area is obviously yesterday's close, that dotted line on the chart. Top step is long. Oh God. Oh God. Both the ES and the Nasdaq right now just chop. I mean, they're both like doing the same shit down here right now. Don't worry, Top Step's got all the best coaches. They know they got you. Don't worry. Top of the line performance coaches. Top of the line. I mean, ideally, it should have been like, wee, down to that 21,000 area, but they started buying it a little early. They held the low, a little bit of a double bottom for now. Dakota challenged the viewers to trade one micro contract for a year. That don't sound very fun. That don't sound very fun. I don't know if you guys are just trolling me or not. Someone said that Tory Trades is going to become the best futures trader in the world. You're kidding me, right? Why are you kidding me? Don't say that kind of stuff. You're gonna get me all excited for nothing. Don't do it. Don't you do it. Do I have any opinions about Wolf Trader? What, Stock Market Wolf or whatever the fuck his name is? Yeah, I got an opinion. He's full of shit. There you go. That's my opinion. My opinion pretty much is always that people are full of shit, so. Tori's Trade's uncle is a goat. A goat of what? A goat of being a scam? I don't know. What's he a goat of? What's he goating? Who's he goating? He ain't goating nobody. Yeah, what you talking about, Willis? All right, Nasdaq. What you gonna do right now? The Lux Algo price action concepts on the chart. We got this trend line detected pattern says that the descending broadening wedge is a bullish reversal pattern anticipating a upside breakout. Uh-oh. 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 I'm just saying that's what the thing says. I'm not saying that. I'm not saying it's gonna go up. I'm just saying that's what the thing says. I don't have a fucking, I have no idea what's gonna happen, but I mean that's what the thingy says. So on the hourly chart, what do we look like on the hourly chart here? We still got yesterday's low down there, 20,988. I feel like that's a good spot to test here. Is my theory, maybe? Right there below the 21 EMA again, that 125 level. If we start dipping down here, beep, maybe she'll go. Maybe, maybe not. Hard to say. It's funny because the more I normally don't trade power hour very much, but I feel like the more that I trade power hour, the more that I remember why I don't normally trade power hour, you know, like the more that I've pretty much traded power hour all week long, and like I'm like remembering why I don't trade power hour, you know. So That's just kind of reinforcing the fact of like, hey, this is why I don't trade power hour. You know, like that's why I don't trade power hour. Stick to what you're good at, you know? I definitely feel like I have a lot better of an advantage trading trading in the morning, which we've proven as well with my stats on Tradeify. So we'll see. Kellyanne in the chat. Kellyanne, tell us what you're doing. Are you short or are you long? Because I want to do the exact opposite. Whatever Kellyanne is doing, I want to do the exact opposite. I'm just kidding. Oh, she's already counting all her money. Wow. Don't count it all too quickly. The day ain't over yet, Kellyanne. All right, again, testing that 110 level here. I feel like it just wants to waterfall to the downside here. What happens if you blow a prop firm account? Well, I didn't want to talk about this ever, but I will talk about it if I need to. And we need to be serious here. If you blow a prop firm account, the market makers come to your house, they put you in the back of their van, they take you out in the woods, they tie you to a tree, and then you just gotta figure it out from there. Basically, they don't kill you, but they tie you to a tree. So just, you know, be careful, people. Be careful. If you're gonna blow a prop firm account, make sure that you have a knife. Have a knife on you. That way you can cut the rope when the market makers tie you to the tree. Tory trades to the BDH for a trade-off with Victoria. Yeah, that's what we need. That's just what the world needs. 2 Victorias, 1 BDH. Who comes out on top? No one will know. Nobody. Absolutely nobody. All right, let's figure out. We need some end of day music here. We got to get this pumped up. All right, there we go. We're pumping it. We're pumping it. We're pumping it up. Take profit. Pat is the most entertaining streamer. Well, I'm not very good looking, and I'm not a girl, so I had to really rely on just my brain power. I know it sucks. It fucking sucks, man. Imagine having to actually have a brain to be able to be entertaining. That right there, my friends, that is impressive. You look like Michael Patak? Oh, fuck that. Fuck that. Don't ever say I look like Michael fucking Patak. Do I look like a bitch? Do I look like a bitch that would call The Bachelor and be like, my girlfriend broke up with me and now she's on The Bachelor. Please kick her off. I want to get back with her. Hello? Is this The Bachelor? Bachelor? This is Michael Patak. Yeah, my girlfriend. She's on the show right now. I'm going to tell Ben. I will find you. Ben, it's Michael. Michael, get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. Make the Gulf of America great again. Get the Gulf of America great again here, boys. All right, Nasdaq. Again, back up to that 150 area. We got plenty of time here. No rush. You know, let the market do what it's gonna do, and then get excited for that 350 algorithm. See, that's a good idea. Use your brain, people. Be smart. Symmetrical triangle detected. Detected. Alarm. 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 Symmetrical triangle detected. We have the Lux Algo price action concepts on there. You can see detecting. Now what happens? Oh, shit. Now we go back up. Patak won't call me because he blocks my number. I can't believe it. I've never had a man block my number, but MP did. Oh, man. Damn it. Damn it. Why? Why me? All right, so Nasdaq right now going nowhere. So I saw, this is my favorite. ICT posted this on Twitter today. He's like, he's back on Twitter, by the way. He couldn't last more than a fucking month without being on Twitter. But he posted this chart. I love this chart because it literally like, he's like, guys, look what I did. Look, I bought at 213. I sold at 216. That is called precision. Nobody trades like this. Nobody. I am the market maker. Look, I bought it at 213 and I sold it at 216. Oh God, it's too much. The internet is funny. Day trading internet is, I love the day trading internet, man. It's great stuff. Holy shit, look at this guy. Then he posted this. Somebody, he still won't pay me the bet. ICT he owes me $500,000. $500,000. I could buy another fucking GT3 RS if I had $500,000, but I don't. So I can't buy one because ICT is being a little bitch and won't pay his bets. You know? Why won't he? Why won't he? Just give me my money, ICT. Give it to me. Bro. Nasdaq pushing up here 160s. Dude, there's like a little thing here on my hat. It's a little piece of, it's going now. PW, what Viking are you gonna get? Probably like a 55, 60 foot, maybe. Depends. Not sure yet, to be honest. Like, working on it. Well, Nasdaq just kind of chopping around right here. That 15-minute candle back up to the highs now. We got these wicks. We got a pivot point right there, 21,197. We got Nvidia earnings after hours today. So maybe the market just wants to go nowhere until close and then wait for those earnings. I don't know. What is my boat name? Right now, my boat name is called Funded. Oh, right. You like that little play on words? Boat's called Funded. My last boat was called Top Step, and then I got fired. Well, I didn't get fired, but I got fired. I got basically, I don't know. It was a weird breakup. You know, it's kind of like when you break up with a girl, and then she goes on The Bachelor, and then you know you got to call the. It's kind of like one of those situations, basically. You know, if you know what I mean. Anybody experienced that ever before? You know, like you break up with a girlfriend, she goes on The Bachelor, you're still in love, you call The Bachelor, you say, hey, I love her still, don't let her go on that show. Don't you let it happen. Look at this girl just dancing. I love how this girl's like just on the beach, DJing, just by herself. Oh yeah, okay. This is what I'm listening to right now, by the way, if you're wondering. People always ask me, what do you listen to? Just a girl on the beach shaking her titties around. Look at that. 400,000 views on this video. I'm telling you, I was born the wrong sex. I really was. I could have made so much money if I had a pair of tits. Oh my God. I'd be a trillionaire. No BDH boat? No. What does that mean? You can't always just name everything the BDH. You know, you gotta like be a little creative every once in a while. You know what they say? Big dick house. Keep scratching my wallet here. I mean my watch. I keep scratching my $20,000 watch on the desk when I'm dancing. I gotta be careful. You know, you don't want to scratch your $20,000 watch while you're dancing on YouTube. That would be a total loss. All right, again, that 148 level. This is just a perfect area to just not fuck around. Is that an AP? You tell me. Is that an AP? What do you think? 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 Yes, it's an AP. It's a what do you call it? I can't even say. I'm so broke, or I'm so poor, or I'm from poor. You know, like I grew up a redneck. I grew up as a redneck, and I can't even say the name of the watch that I own. That's how literally much of a redneck I am. That's kind of fucked up, actually. Audemars Piguet. It's Audemars Piguet. What a weird name. What does that even mean? Audemars Piguet. Imagine going into a jewelry store and be like, hey, you got one of those Audemars Piguets? Plus your parents are brother and sister. No, unfortunately they're not. Thank you for the idea though. That's a little bit more, that's hillbilly. Rednecks don't have the same brothers and sisters. Well, rednecks don't marry their sisters. That's a hillbilly thing. That's people up in the woods, in the hills. When is the Rips BDH stream? I don't know. I'm still working on the legalities of it. We're gonna have to, really do it big. It might be the biggest stream to ever happen on the internet, at least for the day trading world. Top Step's really gonna cry. Oh my God, Michael's gonna call YouTube. This is Michael Patek. Yes, this is Michael. Yeah, Rips is on Patrick's live stream right now. We gotta take it down. We gotta get him off there. I want him back. I want Rips back. Tell him all. I'll just let him. I'll come back. Come back to me, Rips. Come back. Oh man, I gotta become a comedian. But I gotta become a comedian, man. It's too fucking funny. It's Michael. Yeah, I still love Rips. We were together just a week ago, and now he's at the BDH. Can you please tell him to come back? Is Rips really coming to the BDH? Possibly. He could be. I don't know. I've invited him. I offered him a $10,000 competition to do a push-up contest. Maybe we'll do a pull-up contest. He said he wants to drift in my car. I bought a new car, so now he can drive it. It's not used anymore. Remember, he don't like the used cars, so I went out and bought a brand new GT3 RS just for Rips to drive while he's here. Can you see the whip? Yeah, bro, I got you. There it is. It's behind me. People don't even know. That's a $400,000 car just sitting behind me right now. I can just sell that right now. I can just sell it right now for 300. I did not pay 400,000 for it though. I paid 389. Okay, big difference. Big difference. Now it's a $400,000 car because I put a $20,000 exhaust on it. See, value, baby. People be like, Patrick, what do you invest in? I'm like, well, I buy cars, and then I put more money into the cars, and then I sell the cars for a loss. Tax write-off, baby. Depreciation. How many cars do you own? I don't like to talk about it on the internet because I don't want people thinking that I'm too rich. You know, I don't want to brag about like that, the fact that I have a Lamborghini Aventador, the fact that I have a Lamborghini Huracan STO twin turbo, the fact that I have a GT3 RS, you know, the fact that I have a GT500, the fact that I have a Escalade, the fact that I have a F250 Limited. You know, I don't like to talk about it. It's just not good for people to know about how rich I am, because if they knew how rich I was, they could possibly try to kidnap me. Could you imagine kidnapping me? Like, I would just talk to the kidnappers and I would make them go crazy and then they would let me go. I would troll the kidnappers the whole time. And then they would be like, God, they would have to let me go. They'd be like, get him out of here. I can't stand this guy anymore. Oh. Kidnappers, if you're watching, please don't kidnap me. I don't have any money, actually. I spent all my money and I'm an idiot. I'm poor. I'm broke. Yeah, no. I think I told one of my partners that, well, my business partners, you got to clear that up. People be like, you got a partner? No, I was talking to one of my business partners, and I just paid $100,000 Amex bill. That's fucking crazy. Like, you know, you really made it in life when you start just paying $100,000 Amex bill like it's nothing. That is fucking wild. Like, honestly, that's crazy. Crazy. Do you have a black card? No, I don't think the black card is really that cool, to be honest. Maybe you need a budget. Well, you know, I make about $500,000 a month, so I feel like spending $100,000 a month on food and travel and everything else, you know, that seems like a pretty good budget, right? Kind of. My Amex is also my business Amex, so that's like everything: marketing, expenses, gas for the boat, entry fees for the tournament, just anything basically. Like my fishing captain, he's got an Amex, and you know, that's getting used for all kinds of shit other than just me. Boat gas is not cheap. Kellyanne, you might not always be right, but you're right about that, my friend. Boat gas is not cheap. It honestly, it only costs like $2,500 to fill the boat up. Just a normal day, you know, basically. $2,500 for the boat, $800 for the $800 for bait, $2,500 for gas, and then you go out and you go fishing and you catch nothing. It's fucking the best thing ever, best sport ever. So much fun. My favorite thing is you enter a fishing tournament, you spend $25,000 to enter the tournament, you spend $5,000 on bait, you spend just like, we'll say $20,000 on salary for people working. So you basically spend $100,000 to go fish in a fishing tournament, and then you get a $1,000 check. That's happened to me. because you know you do get big checks sometimes, but if you don't win, you might only get like a little check. So you spend about $50,000, $100,000 for a fishing tournament, and then you have to be happy that you got a $1,000 check. Like, oh. People ask me like, Patrick, that's so cool. You won $1,000. I'm like, yeah, it's really cool. It's an awesome experience. Don't you have sponsors? I do have some sponsors, but fishing is very expensive, especially what we do. Like the bait that we use for fishing is it's like $8 a pop. So each little goggle eye is $8 fucking dollars, and we have like, I don't know, when we go fishing we might have 10 dozen of them. So yeah, word of wise, if you ever become rich, don't start fishing, at least competitively. Don't do it. It's not a good idea. It is not good. All right, we got 10 minutes until the 350 algorithm kicks in here. Just trying to be patient. Market's not really moving. We haven't had like any clear break to the upside or the downside here. Just kind of chopping in this range for now at the low of day. So to the upside, we've got that pivot point, kind of 21,200 level. We got the VWAP up there, 259s. $350 algorithm coming up. Don't worry. You got 9 minutes. What time is it, Patrick? What time? We will start again. Yeah, I'm telling you, I'm doing it. I gotta become a DJ. This DJ thing looks way easier than trading. Trading's a lot of work. But I just want to travel the world, set up my DJ booth, film a video, get millions of views, make money. I'm doing it all wrong. Chat, we are doing it wrong. Why the fuck did I waste 8 years of my life becoming a day trading YouTuber when I could have just been a DJ and could travel around the world and just film myself? I'm telling you, life is a tricky thing. You know, sometimes you make bad choices, and I might have made a bad choice 8 years ago. The fuck did I think? Why did I want to be a day trader? What a terrible idea. Honestly, I tell people all the time. People ask me like, Patrick, I want to become a day trader. I'm like, don't do it, please. It's a terrible idea. It's a bad idea. There's a million other jobs that you could do, but day trading is like, don't do it. Just don't try. Just stop. Don't do it. It's because you believed guys like ICT. What? I've never believed ICT. What you talking about? I have never believed him. What are you talking about? The reason my life is ruined is because ICT. Oh God. Marco just got 5 accounts with Apex. I think it's good until March 4th or something. Put the members only chat. I mean, we've only got 8 minutes here, 7 minutes until the MOC, so let the retards be retards for a little bit longer. Let the retards be retards for just a little bit longer. I feel bad for them sometimes. All right, Nasdaq. What you gonna do here, baby?
And if it ends, we will start again.
Yeah, see? That's how I feel. If I blow up my account, I'll just start again. Nasdaq's breaking out to the upside here. That 180 level, the next level. 21,200 coming up next. $185 now. It's pushing. Finally doing something here. That VWAP up there, 260s.
We will start again.
Fuck. Well, it's 40 points. 40 points to the upside right there. Eric Wilson, you didn't tell me shit. Get in the VIP room. Get in the VIP room right now, boy. Somebody named Eric with a C told me so. You didn't tell me shit. They told you so. I didn't even, you didn't tell me nothing. Eric don't even spell his name with right. E-R-I-C-K. What the fuck kind of name is that? What the fuck kind of name is that? God, sorry. It's whenever somebody tells, whenever somebody says I told you so, I just can't handle it. It blows, you know, it just really pisses me off. It really pisses me off. Well, the Nasdaq absolutely ripping to the upside right here, 210. Where the fuck did this come from? Like where? Like why? Like why now? Why? Like why now? 5 minutes before the fucking MOC. Stupid. It's just like, it was not even like a fucking... I was looking at it here on the 1 minute chart. We had this like, I don't even, little like hammer candle. We pushed right off that 21 EMA and then just finally magically broke out right there. So still going. God damn. Power hour. You gotta love it. Lux Algo did tell us, you're not wrong about that. We did have the symmetrical triangle. Symmetrical triangle breakout. You're not wrong about that. All right, we're back up here. 21 EMA on the 15-minute chart. We're right there as a pivot point. VWAP there at the 250s, 260s. Have I ever used a tick chart? I have. I've used, hey, if you're here in the chat right now, I just want to give you a little piece of advice. Everything that you think you, everything that could be possible, I've tried it at least once. Okay? So when you ask a question like, Patrick, have you ever tried this? I've tried it. I've tried everything. Trust me, I have tried every fucking way of trading. I've traded upside down. You know, I try to buy high, sell low. I try to sell low, buy. I've done everything. Every possible way of trading, I've done it. Swing trade, yeah, I've done that. I've done it all. What are you talking about? Every possible fucking way of trading, I've done it. 8 years of just trying every fucking possible idea. I've done that, yes. Hello, my name is Patrick Wieland. I'm a recovering addict. Recovering addict from day trading. I've tried every possible strategy. At least once. At least once. Holding up there at the pivot point for now. 20, what is that? 200 level. Are they just gonna like pump this thing to the fucking moon now? So stupid. I don't like power hour. I don't want to trade power hour anymore. Never doing it ever again. I don't like it. I don't want to do it. VWAP there, 258s. They are just gonna squeeze it straight up here. Perfect. All right, we got 2 minutes here until the MOC. If you've never experienced the MOC, get ready, my friends. Get ready. It's gonna get wild. Volatility like you've never seen before. Possibly. Maybe not. I don't know. We're going to find out. Nvidia after the close will be crazy, 100%. If you've never traded Nvidia after the close, that will also be crazy. All right, we got less than 30 seconds. Something crazy is going to happen here. MOC, baby. MOC. VWAP is at the 260s. Does that mean we just go to the VWAP? Do we crash back down here to the 150s? Get ready. Either way, count it down with me. 5, 4, 3, 2. It went early. It went early. MOC was early today, boys. Holding up there, 200. Just like I just can't trade this right now. It's just untradeable. That's what happens when you have a big earnings report or something going on after hours. Market just gonna be in holding pattern here now, probably until the earnings come out later. Just right there at that pivot point, trapping around. Trapping around here, the 190s, 200 level. What a waste of my fucking life. What a waste of my goddamn life. I'm done. No more power hour. I'm over this bullshit. Sorry. Just a waste. Why do I even come? I should be sitting on the beach right now. I should be on the beach right now, fucking drinking a pina colada. Not fucking around with this stupid shit. All right, Nasdaq right back down there, 190, 180s.
18 years already golden. Been growing up as closer. So tell me how it feels like. This is just a riptide. Don't want to be broken. Cause I still keep hoping. All day, all day. All day, all day. All day, all day. All day, all day.
Just sitting there at that pivot point, chopping around. We got the 355 algorithm coming out here next. Nasdaq just chopping. Very uneventful, kind of what we thought would happen. Tomorrow should be good. After NVIDIA report tonight, we're either going to get a big old gap up. I think we're going to get a big gap up, and then maybe we fill the gap tomorrow kind of thing. We'll see. So, just kind of a lackluster. We started streaming Power Hour when we were here at the 150s, kind of just been chopping around now. So look at that move down here. What the fuck? 1230 move down. Market drops from the 400s at 1230 all the way down here out of nowhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and just tip my hat to y'all. I'm gonna get out of here. I don't think anything's gonna happen in the next 5 minutes. So there it is. If you guys haven't watched my latest video, I would really appreciate it. You know, if you're watching right now on the live stream, it would really help me out if you go to this video right now, leave a little comment, hit the like button, help me help you. I don't ask for much. These streams are free. So if you guys can help me out, I'll owe you. I'll owe you, you owe me, and then we'll be even. So, talk to you guys later on. Peace to the Middle East. See you tomorrow morning for Thursdays, Thirsty Thursdays, right here live at the BDH.